Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, a lot of you may or may not be aware of the expose that was done by the BBC on Unilag, the foremost Nigerian university, and University of Ghana as well. So the expose was done about how female students were being made demands by our male lecturers. So of course you can already imagine what the narrative is. So off the back of that, I bring you this. University of Lagos shuts down cold room where lecturers take female students. So that's the headline. University of Lagos shut down cold room where lecturers take female students. So now let's find out what the latest development is. The University of Lagos has announced the shutdown of the cold room where lecturers reportedly harassed students. This was disclosed by Taiwo Oloyide, the Principal Assistant Registrar Communication Unit of the university. The cold room was mentioned by a lecturer of the school, Boniface Ogbonegu, who was caught on video making demands of a female undercover journalist who posed as an admission seeker. Ogbonegu in the BBC undercover documentary described the secret place where lecturers meet to touch students at the staff club of the university. They called the place the cold room, he said. He then explained that female students must pay to have good grades. The so-called cold room is a functions room that may have been abused because this is a deviation from the purpose for which it was created. It was for meetings, seminars, events, etc., the university spokesperson said. So now, a lengthy statement by the university, but the upshot of it is that this cold room has now been shut down, and this of course is the latest development in a now evolving story of what goes on within Nigerian universities, which we have all known of course for years. Anybody that went to a university in Nigeria knows the narrative that is coming out now. A lot of the female students had to go through it to come through it. This is just the way it was and still the way it is. But now, hopefully, it's looking like the way it no longer will be. So now, Nemesis is now catching up with these people. There's no space that is safe within the Nigerian state. Even a university, a citadel of learning, you still get all of this. Paying for marks, either with cash or with your body, is really the narrative of virtually every single university within the Nigerian state. So a girl can just decide not to attend lectures all the way through and then go meet the lecturer at the office, and then she gets her grade and on she goes. So this is now the narrative, but then of course it now looks as though some of these girls are being coerced and being pressured into these situations as well, because this is the narrative that this BBC documentary exposed. So now the weight is now coming down heavy on these people. I think this Boniface whatever has been suspended. He is actually a preacher as well. He calls himself a preacher of some sort of assembly. So that whatever church institution he belongs to has obviously suspended him or expelled him. He's been gotten rid of one way or the other, and then the university of course are now weighing down on him. And the same thing is happening to the Ghanaian lecturer as well, who was caught in a similar sting operation. Conversations in the comment section. What was your experience of the Nigerian university system, especially if you're female? I'd like to hear what your experiences are. But before you come share those experiences with me, and if you don't want to leave your comment in the comment section, you can go to the top of the channel. You see all my socials there, my Instagram, my email address, etc. You can send me an email detailing your experience, and I can see if I can follow you through for you or with you. So whatever and however you choose to have your expression, have that expression on this channel. So click on the red subscribe button, as I said, click on the bell button as well, then come let's have a conversation about this in the comment section or wherever else you want to discuss this topic. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.